Everyone, I'm meteorologist Hannah Dennis, and those clear skies are going to continue. However, we're going to see that humidity start to rise again as we get into a new week. And unfortunately, it still looks like we could have a rainy Father's Day weekend. Now, as far as futurecast goes, this is what we're looking at. You can see a few passing clouds as we go into tonight and early morning on Monday. Same with Monday, though, a few passing clouds. But then as we get into Tuesday, you see the clouds do increase, and then 9 a.m. there's some scattered showers across the state, but it is nothing too big. That might be the only rain we see on Tuesday. We'll just have those clouds kind of off and on throughout the day, and then as we get into Wednesday, things start to change a little bit more. Now, it looks like we are going to be expecting a lot of rain, but that is not the case. We just have small chances here and there because we're going to be seeing some rain pop up, move through, and then get out of the way. It's not going to be an all-day thing. Unfortunately, we are going to see that humidity rise. You can see starting Tuesday, it's going to start feeling a little bit muggy, and this is going to just stay this way as we go in throughout the rest of the week. And that will cause our heat indexes to go up. You can see as our temperatures rise, we get into those 90s, our heat index rises too. Thursday looks like it is going to be the hottest day going into this week, so prepare for that. It's just going to really feel like summer. You can see that heat index, it's going to make it feel like it's possibly in the hundreds, so it's going to be definitely a warm day. Unfortunately, it looks like there is a small chance that we could have some severe weather going into this week. This is looking at Wednesday, and you can see that the possibility stays in the northwestern corner of Iowa. Now, this is a few days out, so we could be seeing some things change, but it's just good to know in advance that there is a possibility. Thursday, that chance is more widespread, so we could be seeing some severe weather events. However, they will most likely be isolated events and be moving through. We're not looking at any form of line of storms that'll be coming through the state. It'll just be pop-ups that move through quickly and then get out of our way. But it is good to be weather aware going into this week, especially after having such a nice break from rain and from severe weather. Now tonight, we're going to have those skies clear out. Those winds will come down. Some of us actually got 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts up in the northern part of the state. And now we'll get down to 56 degrees. So it'll be a little bit cooler, but we are going to warm up again. However, Monday is going to be the coolest day of them all. We're only going to get up to 77 degrees, but it's going to be a beautiful day. We're going to have a lot of sun, calm winds throughout the day. It's going to be almost perfect outside. And then things change going into Tuesday. We'll have those breezy conditions again. We'll start warming back up into the 80s. Then we hit the 90s on Wednesday, and we keep the 90s for a while. Thursday, that's going to be our hot day. And then as we go into the weekend, it looks like it's going to be a warm Father's Day weekend, but you can see our rain chances are there. Those are days that we can possibly be seeing some thunderstorms as well. And unfortunately, we're going to be keeping the 90s for a little bit, so it's going to be a little bit of a warmer stretch. We're going to see some more rain this time. However, we are getting into summer, so we are going to start seeing these warmer temperatures a little more often.